In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a battery on your ATV. How to install a battery on your Arctic Cat. You're going to go get a battery. Remove this safety cover. And you're going to have the screws. You shouldn't need this. Positive is over here, negative is over here. So these are our positive wires, and our negative is over here. Time to give this ATV a bath too. So you're going to stick it in the same way. Your positive on the correct side. You're going to grab your screw and drop it through each of your connectors. Make sure your cable can reach. I'm going to get it started. You may need to have some more slack in your wires to get around to the back. Before this battery, I had the stock battery. The terminals were on the front side. Positive was up here, easy to get to. So when you're putting in a different battery like this, just need to make sure you've got some room on your cables to get it in there. I'm going to stretch this red one. Far back there. Loop it around like so. And then we're going to tighten that down with your Phillips head driver, screwdriver. We're going to do the same with the negative. You're going to run these through here. Get both your leads on there. Get it started. And snug it down. Now the best way to get these tight is to use a socket or a wrench. Grab your tin wrench and you're going to tighten these up a little bit more, because you can never get them tight enough with a Phillips screwdriver. So you're going to, if they come loose, you'll have clicking issues or it's not going to get a good connection. So just snug these up with a wrench. And you're done. You got a battery in there. Next, start it up here. So we've got 12.5 when we're running the fuel pump. Let's back up to 12.6. Good. Once you've installed the battery on your ATV, you're going to have to reset the clock. Check out this video up here for the Altera and XR models. Check out this video down here for the teardrop style gauge. Be sure to comment and like and subscribe and all the things that YouTubers want you to do.